Good morning, scumbags. Welcome to your morning Underhive Voxcast with Dave and Chuck the Freak. I'm Dave.
And I'm Chuck.
We have a lot of news for you today, but first a message from our sponsor, Corpse Starch. Delicious, nutritious, and definitely not people. Now, Chuck, I heard they got a new flavor on the menu these days. What can you tell us about it?
Well, I went over there. They said they had a new flavor. I asked what the flavor was. They said it's a new flavor. And they hit me in the head with a shovel.
Fantastic. Corpse Starch. You are what you eat. Now, hot news on the Vox this morning, folks. We got a new gang in town, referring to themselves as the House of the Sunken Spire. Here with the inside scoop is Dave and Chuck the Freak. And as always, all Underhivers, if you see any of the following individuals, well, it's probably already too late. First on the roster, we got Taper. Lovely lady with a whole lot of knives. Not a whole lot is known about her, except that it's way too many knives for one person, probably. Quiet, keeps to herself, likes lurking in the shadows. We love to see it. Next on the list, we have Wick with his dual auto pistol approach. This young man gunman is looking for a beating as the Juve joins the team. Rumor has it he once had a sweet candid companion and is in search for the ganger who put that dog down. Next in the lineup, we've got Banshee, a hothead with a fuse shorter than the grenades he has and a shotgun to match. This guy likes shooting first, asking questions never, and in general, getting up in your face. Geist follows them up with a more of a ask questions and then shoot because they're way too far away to hear the answer. If you see him, well, let's just say you won't. Next up are the Mind Twins, Marrow and Selkie, born to different families but moving in perfect concerto with each other in a dance of death so terrifying with their serpent's fangs. It truly brings a chill to one's spine before it gets ripped out. Next in the lineup, we have whatever this thing is. I have no idea, and it terrifies me on an existential level.
Yep, I hate it.
Finally, leading this mysterious new gang is Amun Kalfani, the true named. I'll tell you, Chuck, I don't know if this guy's true named or not, but I looked up that name, and it says he died hundreds of years ago. So who's really to say? We have an exclusive statement from the gang leader who, when asked what his plans were with Necromunda, simply said, "The infinite cycles of the fifth dreamer extend down into the shadows, far down, below the lowest abyss, into the tower that lurks beneath our feet." Truly unsettling business, whatever it might be.
I don't know what to make of it.
Me neither, Chuck. But on to the weather. How are things looking in the Underhive?
It's bad.
Of course it is. Make sure you stay subscribed for some more Dave and Chuck the Freak in the morning. And leave a like and a comment on the Vox in order to know that we're doing a good thing. And until next time, this has been your morning Voxcast with Dave and Chuck the Freak. Stay safe, stay alive, and don't go outdoors.
What is up, guys? Editing Toast here. Just to let you guys know that I'm going to be taking a little bit of a break over the holidays. I should be back around mid-January for more Toast content. If you like this video, hey, let me know. It's a new kind of experimental thing. Thought I'd try it out. Maybe do some like Necromunda battle reports in this style. I think that might be kind of interesting. But let me know in the comments. Did you like it or did you hate it? And hey, if you're worried about missing some Toast videos over the holiday break, check out our Discord in the link below and hang out. I'm going to be online. I'm just not going to be making any videos. So come have a chat, post your hobby progress, and maybe a couple memes along the way. And I'll see you guys next year. Peace!